guys even see me? I can't even see me. It is a Saturday morning, currently 7:20. I'm here with the girls at what kind of this place? Cradle Moon. Cradle Moon with the girls. We're going for a hike. Why are we doing this to ourselves? We are so unfit, but it's fine. Goal of the year is to get fit, so that's what we're doing. There's a couple of other people that have just started on their trail as well, so we're just gonna go and pay, and then we're gonna get on our walk. I don't know how much of this I'm going to be capable of vlogging just because of my level of unfitness, but we'll see, guys, we'll see. This place is already nice and I just got here. It's my first time here. If you guys have ever hiked here, please tell me how your experience was. I'll let you guys know along the way, and also once we are done. If I'm squinting, I'm sorry guys, the sun is like in my eyes. There we go. Okay. Guys, can you see? There's the waterfall. Woo. Okay, that's a zoom. I'm shooting the waterfall. It's over there somewhere. So that's where we're gonna end up eventually once we are done. But right now we are still at the beginning. And there's these two crazies telling me that I must film them and put them on my YouTube. You are too far! So, we've been walking for all of 10 minutes. And has it been 10 minutes? Like and we're already finished. We are unfit, guys. We need to get our lives together. Because wow. Yo, hi Shem. We're taking
the things we do
a pit stop because we want to take pictures in the forest. Please look at this, guys. Like we're in a jungle.
I know, right?
We're in Africa. Oh my god. Welcome to Africa. So pretty, guys. It's so pretty. Guys. Oh my god. Hi, it's renewing.
Yeah. This is our journey back to the waterfall now.
It's a long journey.
Yep.
Hi. Hi, Mo. Hey. You got. Okay, I'm not going in. This looks like a house. Look at this. This one is too much energy for her own good. And there's the lost one that wants an Uber in the middle of the jungle. This is the view from the other side of... Oh guys, we are exhausted. There's the house. I don't know if it's clear on camera. Over there. There's the house we're at. Now we are here. Surviving. Guys, we're almost there. I'm so finished. Like, I'm finished. But can you hear the water? We're almost there. I fell at some point because my shoes are not made for hiking. They're made for the gym. Anyway, let me go finish because Yeah, hi, cut it. Oh, guys, I've made it. I've made it. Now I just need to get down this bloody steep. Here we are. My hands are super shaky because I'm so tired. Oh, there goes Mbali and her braveness. I guess him. There's another brave one. We made it, guys. We made it. A whole. How long did we walk? Like 10K, ne? Yeah, we walked 10K. We made it. Took pictures there by the waterfall. It was a little bit flooded, so we had to take our shoes off. I hope you guys can hear me. We had to take our shoes off and walk. So now we're just at the restaurant. I'm speaking like this because I don't want to show people in my background. Because copy act. Anyway, so we're gonna eat now. Man, I'm finished, Shem. Yo. How are you feeling, T?
On top of the world. Great of fish.
Mali, how are you feeling?
I am revived. I feel fresh. Like I can take over the world. Yeah, girl.